Alright, we just want to do a little video for everybody that wants to see start to finish projects. We're going to do an 870 Express shotgun. We didn't get any photos of it on the gun, but we're going to start with sanding. All I'm going to do is take down the clear coat and get down to a rough surface to where we can paint the stock. It's got to have its base coat, of course. So we're just going to sand it. Right now I'm using a 220 grit sandpaper. I'll rough it up pretty good with this, and then I'll go to a real fine steel wool to take out the rougher scratches. And then after that, we'll put a degreaser on it, alcohol, 90% alcohol, get all the oils out of it, and we can lay our base coat. Alright, second part, we're just doing quick touch and base quickly on some of these processes for this. So now we're going to use air. We're going to get all the dust and whatever else we can get out of the checkering on the stock. And then after we do all this, we'll blow all the dust off it, get all the whatever else is in there, grime, dirt, get all the dust off it. Off both pieces. That's just kind of a quick little run through. So make sure you get these really good. Then after we do that, we'll use our alcohol. Get everything real clean. Make sure there's no oils in the wood at all from your hands or from your just cleaning your gun, stuff like that. And then I'll do this 2 or 3 times. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. But once we get all that out, we're ready for paint booths. So that's where we're headed now. We're going to put a white base coat on this, and when we come back, it'll be white. Alright guys, we talked yesterday about getting that shotgun stock white. It is white. We're going to show you that in a minute. For now, we're going to put the film in the tank and get ready to dip it, and then I'll talk more about the stock. And once you put this film in here, there's always bubbles, and we're going to go ahead and start our timer for 1:30. Get all your bubbles out. As best you can, anyway. Alright, now while we're looking at that, hold on, I'm gonna go stretch. Alright. So anyway, here's the stock. We were talking about it yesterday. It's got a primer and a automotive grade white paint. This pattern recommends a white base coat, so that's what we used. Sorry guys, I'm concentrating on bubble there. Seconds. And believe me, white is picky when it comes to bubbles, y'all. Alright, we're ready. We're going to use the rolling technique here. Hopefully everything goes good, yeah. Give it a couple seconds to expand. There we go. She looks good, you guys. I like to leave it under the water just a little longer than everybody else. I don't know why, I just do that. Make sure nothing's coming off under the water. Woo! She's beautiful. All the way around, no stretch.